Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can wrap text in your designs and projects on Figma. So let us get started right away. Head over to your design on Figma, and as you can see I created a text box like this one here, and obviously it needs really some wrapping. This is how you can do it, guys. Select your text box with your left mouse, and there's unfortunately no direct way how to wrap these text boxes. There's no wrapping inbuilt wrapping tool, but we can overcome this obstacle by simply using the resizing, text resizing tool. So to do that, select your text box with your left mouse. That is going to prompt that property panel here to the right. So under layout, guys, you will see this resizing tool here. Now, if your text line resembles a pretty wide line like this one here, an unwrapped line or box, it will probably be set to auto width here under resizing. So what you will need to do, guys, is switch from auto width to fixed size here, and that is going to unlock these dimensions here. So what you want to do is either enter your preferred dimensions of your text box here in numbers, or you may simply left click into these boxes till you see these double-headed arrows and simply move your mouse to the left or to the right to resize your box. The easier way though would be to simply resize your text box by left clicking into it, by clicking into one of its corners, and to resize it that way, just like you resize any other object here. And that is also going to automatically wrap your text, as you can see. So that's how you wrap text on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.